guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you pay off your debt with the savings using simple digital coupons and earning cash back. So today we are couponing at Walmart because there are 10 freebies and moneymaker deals that you can take advantage of. There's so many easy deals using simple cash back apps. So all of the different apps that I use are going to be linked below for you guys in the description box. One disclaimer, keep in mind, rebate apps do vary account by account. So for example, I could have $3 cash back on Ibotta, you could have $2 cash back, or maybe you don't have the rebate or vice versa. So always make sure once you get the list of deals, you double check your apps and your accounts to see what your cashback value is. That way you can update it based on exactly the product that you need and the cashback that you are going to be able to have available. That way you don't run into any issues or unwanted surprises when you go to submit your receipt at the end. I'm also trying out a new rebate app today called Ripple Street, which I've heard a lot about on social media, so we're gonna give it a shot. Today's my first day using it. At the end, I will show you my receipts. I'll show you all the cashback that I actually earned. We will track it together in my budget spreadsheet, the whole 9 yards, so you can see exactly how we are applying our savings directly towards our debt. For the list of all the deals, so you can print it and go to the store, do the exact same deals, it'll be below for you guys in the description box. It gives you access to my Google Drive where I have all of the breakdowns that I do for every single week. It's about 100 digital coupon deals for CVS, Walgreens, Walmart is included, Dollar General is included, and Publix. So that'll be below for you guys. Let's head over to Walmart and take advantage of amazing deals and make some money today. Starting off with 2 freebies in the ice cream section. So one of them my store is out of. It's on the Nutella pint ice cream. It's $4.36. You can submit to Ripple Street. It's a new app that I've been hearing a lot about on social media. So we're gonna give it a try today. You'll get a full refund for $4.36. And on Ibotta, there's $1 cash back. Makes it $1 moneymaker. This one I am gonna grab. It's on the Kinder Bueno. Same thing on Ripple Street. There is a full refund back. There's only about 45 spots left, so you definitely wanna do it quickly if you want this. Then on Ibotta, there's $1 back. It makes it $1 moneymaker. Next deal is on prebiotic cola from Pepsi, which I've never had before. Let me know in the comments if it's good or not. I do enjoy Pepsi though. So I'm gonna get one of these. They are $7.97 at my store. Submit over to Fetch Rewards. They have $3 back when you spend $3 and the limit is $3. So I'll be spending over $6, so I'll be getting at least $6 back. Makes it only $1.97, which is a really good deal. Next deal I'm grabbing is on Pillsbury products. So I'm gonna get these cinnamon rolls here. I'm gonna get one of these at $2.14. And then you can even grab these. These are the cheapest products, but I like the home style better. So I'm gonna get this one for $2.14. Submit over to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2. Then on Fetch Rewards, I'm gonna get $1 back because this is the 5th one that I'm buying in total. Makes my final cost $1.14 a piece. Another freebie from Ripple Street is going to be on the Capri Sun Hydrate. These are $3.47. Submit over to Ripple Street. You're going to get $3.47 back. It makes it a nice, easy freebie, and this is perfect for lunches for school or for camp, which is what I'm going to use it for. Next deal we're grabbing is on soft scrub. So I'm gonna get one of these small ones over here for $3.27. We're submitting over to Ibotta for $1 cash back, and it tracks towards the soft scrub bonus, which is 75 cents back when you do 2 rebates. So this will be one of the rebates. Then we're gonna come over here and grab one of these soft scrub 4 count for $3.77. Submit to Ibotta as well. Then we're also gonna now get the 75-cent cashback bonus. And on Be Frugal, for buying 2 of them, we're gonna get $4.41 cash back. Makes them both free and a 62-cent moneymaker. The next 2 deals are on dog food. We're gonna grab one of these Love Made Fresh rolls for $3.48. Submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back. Then the Love Made Fresh meatballs over here, we're gonna grab for $6.98. Submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back. And on Fetch Rewards, I'll get $1.40 for buying 2. Makes it $5.06 for 2 of them. Another option you could do is grab this one and one of the tubs over here. This one has $2 cash back on Ibotta, and then you'll get a $2 bonus for doing the 2 different Love Made Fresh offers. That'll make your final cost $5.54 for 2 of them. I'm also grabbing the deal again on Bactine. It reset on checkout 51, so this is the cheapest product to grab at $4.97. Submit to Ibotta for 50% back, which is $2.49. And on checkout 51, you'll get $2 back, so it makes it 48 cents. We have an amazing deal on this Zedgerid, which I've actually never tried before. Get the 14 count for $9.98. On Ibotta, you'll get $3.50 cash back. Then on checkout 51, you'll get $6 cash back. Makes it 48 cents. We also have an amazing deal on the Dial 3-in-1 men's body wash right here for $3.97. I'm going to grab one, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. On checkout 51, we'll get $1.20 back. And on Be Frugal, we'll get $2.37 back for buying one. Makes it free and a 9-cent moneymaker. Next, we're grabbing this Dial Antibacterial Plus Hydrating. It's $2.47. Submit to Ibotta, you'll get 50 cents back. On checkout 51, you'll get 75 cents back. And on Be Frugal, there's $1.64 back on one of them. Makes it free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Another freebie that hopefully you're able to grab, let me know in the comments if you can, is on the August brand. It's on the pads or the tampons. I checked both, but my store doesn't carry it. You can get a box completely free. They're typically about $9.98 or about like $10 a box. So you can pick one, submit to aisle for the completely free rebate. So let me know if you score. Next, they finally organized our clearance section, and there's a lot of like products that typically you would have rebates on. I saw that there are some CoverGirl products. So this CoverGirl Dewy Tint is $4 on clearance. Submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Then on checkout 51, you'll get $3 back. And on, I think it was Swag Bucks, you'll get $3 back. So it makes it free and about a $3 moneymaker, maybe $4 if I could do the math in my head. Amazing deal. So definitely check. There's a couple in my store. We had a $2 moneymaker on CoverGirl mascara. I'm going to grab one of the professionals for $5.98. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back. Checkout 51 has $3 back, and Swag Bucks has $3 back. Makes it free and a $2 moneymaker. If your store doesn't have any clearance on CoverGirl face products, no worries. You can grab one of these. It's still going to be a $2 moneymaker. I've actually used this powder. It works really well. It's $5.97. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back. You'll get $3 back from checkout 51 and Swag Bucks $3 back. Makes it free and a $2 moneymaker. All right, we're back home from Walmart. I wanted to run in the house and put all the groceries away because I wound up getting a couple of frozen items and they were feeling a little soupy. That, what did I get? The Kinder Bueno was feeling a little soupy because of course I did that first in the video instead of doing it last. I should have done that last because it was a frozen item. Anyway, so I wanted to rush in the house so I could put away all the groceries and everything so that way it was good to go. So let's go over everything that I wound up grabbing and submitting my receipt to all of the different cashback apps. So there were 2 freebies that I wasn't able to grab because my store didn't have it, unfortunately. The Nutella, which they were sold out of, and those August pads or tampons. It would have been cool to try, but my store didn't carry that brand, unfortunately. So let me know if you're able to get all 10 freebies. That would be amazing. So in total, I paid $69.95 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I submitted to, a lot of you guys always ask me what rebate apps I submit to first and in what order. I always do Ibotta first just because, and then other than that, it doesn't really matter. I did make a cardinal error. I even wrote it down. On my breakdown. Do Be Frugal in a separate receipt. These do in a separate receipt. So if you get all the breakdowns below, it'll have this note for you to kind of remind you. And then I forgot to even look at the note when I was checking out because I was just moving too fast. I was afraid all of the ice cream was gonna be like uneatable, whatever, by the time I got home. So my bad, but you've got to make sure all of your Be Frugal deals are in a separate receipt compared to Swag Bucks. You cannot submit the same receipt to both Be Frugal and Swag Bucks, even if you're claiming for different rebates. It won't allow you to, and it's a nightmare to have to like reach out and blah, 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 gross. So don't do that. Okay, I submitted over to Ibotta first, got $19.49, plus I got a $5 midweek bonus and a 75-cent bonus as well for one of the other deals, soft scrub. Then on Fetch Rewards, I got back $11.47. Checkout 51, I submitted for $15.95. Be Frugal, I didn't write it down, but it was like $9 or something on Be Frugal. It was $3, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $10.47 is what I submitted for on Be Frugal. And then on Ripple Street, I submitted my receipt to 2 freebies. I got the Capri Sun freebie for the hydrate, so that's $3.47. And the ice cream was $4.36. So in total, from Ripple Street, it'll be $7.83. Now, honestly, I'm not sure if that cash back goes on Ripple Street and you're cashing it out at a certain amount like you do for Ibotta. I will keep you posted next week once I get Ripple Street kind of figured out a little bit more, but that's all the cash back that I'm getting. So in total, that's $70.96 cash back. So now we're gonna pop over to my computer. I'll show you how I log it in my spreadsheet. If you need a spreadsheet, you wanna use mine, I'll link it below for you guys, or you can click right here where it says get spreadsheet here. You've gotta make sure that you're tracking your spending. It is literally key to being able to save money in general and being able to pay off your debt, because now you're gonna know to the penny exactly how much money you're saving by doing all of these deals. So that way at the end of the week, you'll be able to make your micro payment. So on Fridays, I make my micro payment based on my spreadsheet and how much money I saved. So let's take a look together. So this is what my budget spreadsheet looks like. We are on the June tab and you're gonna scroll over to coupon trips. On the left is where you're gonna be logging all your other transactions, your water bill, your electric bill, groceries, all of that. Anything that you're doing, couponing, earning cash back, all of that is gonna go under this table that's labeled coupon trips. So if you get the spreadsheet, I've recorded some trainings to show you step-by-step exactly how to use it, so don't worry about that. So what we're gonna do is one line per receipt. I only have one receipt, so we're just gonna do one line. So in the drop down, we click Walmart. Now, sale price, where did it go? Don't tell me I lost it. Nope, there it is. Sale price is just full price of everything, obviously, because there are no sales. So we're gonna do $73.33. Out of pocket, how much did you swipe your card for, including taxes? And then earned from all apps was, where is it? $70.96. That makes your cash cost $2.37, which was all taxes, which is so incredible. We saved 96% at Walmart today because of all the cash back, all the freebies, all of that jazz. So in total, on average, I've saved 85.24%. Now, total money saved so far for the month, and we're only halfway through the month, is $467.74. So today is the last couponing trip that I'm going to be doing for the entire week. So what I'm going to do is probably actually make my micro payment today instead of waiting until Friday. So what I'm going to do is add up all of the money that I saved from Walgreens and Walmart today, take that and immediately use it as an additional payment towards my student loans. That is the last form of debt that I am tackling, and I am on track to be debt-free this year by following these simple steps. So anybody can do this. It doesn't matter where you live. All you need is your phone, period. So in my Debt-Free with Digital Coupons Club, I'll link that below for you guys too if you're wanting more help, and for me to help you guys too with your debt payoff journey. All we're doing is using our phone, saving 75% on the products that we actually use, right? We're not buying nonsense and filling up our cart with stuff that's gonna sit on the shelf. Products you actually use. Then we are taking that money, making sure we're tracking our spending, making sure that we're setting up our savings accounts correctly, we have an emergency fund, all of that jazz, and then take the money that you save based off of your budget spreadsheet. Then you can either allocate all of that to debt if you want to be really aggressive to attacking your debt, or you could do half of it towards your emergency fund and half of it towards your debt. There's so many things that you can do with it, but anybody can do this. We all have access to Ibotta and all of these cashback apps. So if you want to do that same exact process, I highly recommend it because that's how I've paid off over $18,000 worth of debt. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.